Hello, today we will guide you through how to crop PDF in iLovePDF. To get started, open the workspace page in your browser. This is where you'll access the editing tools needed to make changes to your PDF. Once the workspace loads, take a moment to look over the layout so you can easily follow along. Next, go to the left side navigation panel and click on Edit. This section contains the tools used to modify your document, and cropping is one of the available options there. If you don't immediately see it, just focus on the editing area in the sidebar until you find the correct menu. After that, click on Crop. This will open the Crop tool and prepare the workspace for selecting the area of the PDF you want to keep visible. Cropping is useful when you want to remove excess margins, hide unnecessary sections, or better frame the content on the page. Now you'll need to choose the file you want to work with. Click on Upload New Files if your PDF is stored on your device and you want to bring it in from there. This is the best option if the file has not been used recently in the platform. If the document has already been added before, you can instead click on Choose from Recent Files. This can save time and makes it easier to continue working without uploading the same document again. From the available files, select the sample file. Once selected, the document will open in the editor so you can begin adjusting the crop area. Make sure the correct file is chosen before moving on, especially if you have several similar documents in your recent files list. With the file open, highlight the sample area you want to crop. In other words, click and drag to define the portion of the page you want to keep. Try to be precise here because the selected area determines what remains visible after the crop is applied. If needed, adjust the selection until it matches the content you want. Once you're satisfied with the highlighted area, click Apply to confirm the crop. This finalizes the change and updates the document based on your selection. After applying it, review the result to make sure the page looks the way you intended. And that's it. You've successfully cropped a PDF using the Crop tool. If needed, you can repeat the process for additional pages or make further edits before saving your document.